Which everyday food contains the most casein protein? Imagine a food that provides a steady releases of amino acids over several hours, supporting muscle repair and growth, especially during periods of fasting or overnight. Many people relying on dairy products for their high-quality protein content, but which specific item among these contains the greatest amount of casein protein? Casein is a slow-digesting protein found predominantly in milk and dairy products. It makes up approximately 80% of the total protein in cow's milk. Among common dairy foods, cheese stands out as a concentrated source of casein. When milk is processed into cheese, the liquid whey is separated from the curds, which are rich in casein proteins. The curds are then pressed and aged to produce various types of cheese. Hard cheeses such as Parmesan, cheddar, and Gouda are particularly high in casein because they undergo longer aging processes, which concentrate their protein content. For example, Parmesan cheese contains about 25 grams of protein per 100 grams, with a significant portion being casein. This makes it one of the most dense sources of casein protein available in everyday foods. Yogurt also contains a notable amount of casein, especially Greek yogurt, which is strained to remove excess whey, resulting in a higher concentration of protein per serving. However, the casein content in yogurt is generally lower than in hard cheeses. Milk itself contains around 3 grams of protein per 100 milliliters, with most of that being casein. In contrast, other dairy products like cream or butter contain minimal protein and are not significant sources of casein. Non-dairy foods, such as plant-based options, do not naturally contain casein, as it is exclusive to mammalian milk. Therefore, when considering everyday foods that contain the highest amount of casein protein, aged hard cheeses like Parmesan are at the top of the list. They offer a dense, concentrated source of this slow-digesting protein, making them ideal for supporting muscle maintenance and recovery over extended periods.